No science stream. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the stream. TGI. I thank God it's Monday, Monday, Monday. Monday, Monday, Monday. Not a silent stream, but it's got some background noise in the back. Background noise in the back, you know what I mean? Background noise in the front. That's how we do it here. Very nice. Um, why is the why is it the extended hours price action the best price action? Why do we get amazing price action when no one's trading at 3 a.m.? Why do we get this? But when it comes to the regular trading hours, this is what happens. Like this is the regular trading hours right here. This is the regular trading hours, pandas. Like this is what happens. So sick. Such terrible price action. Let me just show you how ridiculous the price action was. You thought you were gonna fill the gap. You actually don't fill the gap the entire day. You get mighty close. We don't fill the gap, and then guess what? The next day we're like breaking out and destroying this gap here. It's the dumbest price action. Oh my gosh, so frustrating. Like, can anything be more frustrating than this price action? Um, I most likely will stay in we're in micro hell right now because we're in price action hell. So your size needs to reflect the absolute disgusting nature of the market. So we're gonna be in micro hell because we're in PA hell. We're probably gonna be like that next couple of days until this clears up. Any trading range here. You get this bull flag, breakout, breaks this high, and then breaks the low of the bull flag. Basically, that is the pattern that you see for range starting to happen. Big push down, very strong push down, in fact. And again, nasty price action. You want the fails like entry long. That fails by one tick, and then finally goes back down. Bottom trading range. We're gonna just wait till the market opens. And let's drop those GMs in the chat. Ashraf, good morning. Zero futures. Yo 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 yo. YL. Are you streaming on Discord, fans? Are we streaming? Let's do it. But I'm on vacation, so we'll do it when I get back. We'll do something fun. A fan stream. How about that? Fan stream. I get zero clout. YL gets all like I literally gain nothing. But we'll do it anyways. It'll be fun. I gain zero. I gain absolutely nothing. But we'll do it for the content. Yes. Can we go long? Bottom of the range, or are we in a full-blown reversal here? Maybe a full-blown reversal. Starting to look very strong, right? Breaking past this pivot. If we get a strong reversal set up here, just strong bull bar or something, we might have to go long, but we'll see. And the thing is, like, even if you go long, the idea is you can scale it. But like I said, we are in micro hell, so we will be trading micros only until we get out of the micro hell. We'll be trading micros only until we get out of micro hell. No, sorry, PA hell. We're in PA hell, so we're gonna be trading. We're in micro hell. How about 10 days? That seems about right. Starting up here. There's a complete breakout right now. Mm, mm. Feel like I gotta try almost right here. Second just short, interesting. Yeah, I don't know about that. But look, if you bought this pivot low, you would have been able to scalp out 13 points, 14 points. I probably scalped out 10 points up to the 20 MA. A double bottom here. We're in micro hell, so we're gonna trade the micros on the 5-minute chart. Price action on Friday. I ended a stream around here after seeing how bad the price action was. I just said, just forget it. It's not even worth my time. I just ended the stream. It's not even worth it. It's so bad. Such stinky price action. So foul. So absolutely foul. So raunchy. Pure raunchiness. But we're gonna trade the micro Nascraq. It's a Nascraq, but it's a micro, so it's 10 times smaller. Where's my weekly? Well, I don't understand why I don't have my weekly on this. Where's my weekly? Oh, no, my weekly on this? Oh wow. Sad, 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 sad. Weekly. Huh? 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 Oh, I must not have the prior weekly. Yeah, gonna add that later. Jeez, just realized. I can figure it out. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, right? Here's your weekly high. Here's your weekly low. We're actually pretty close to the weekly high. Let's get this exact value here. It's the high of this bar. So the high of this bar is 25. Oh, 27. Oh, 20, 25. Oh, 27.2. So these are right. And we're gonna make the color green. Make it with 2 and make it dashed. There we go. There it is. That's the weekly high. Let's get the weekly low here. 24,422. 422. And we'll make this red. We'll make it very red. Make it super red. You dashed. Chip. And this you took right. Alright, here we go. There's my weekly high, weekly lows. I'm gonna put all my other charts as well. If you didn't know, you can copy and paste to your other charts and it will actually just copy and paste it. Here's your first bar on the 5-minute chart. Quite bullish. Well, let's let it finish. It's 22 seconds left. Good morning, pandas. Drop this GM in the chat. Albert Emma, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Make sure you scalp that like button. Pandas, I hope you had an amazing weekend. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I can't tell you how much I look forward to Mondays. That's why we say this. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. I can't tell you how much I look forward to Mondays. Get back to my favorite community with what I love doing most. Trading futures. Like you can't beat it. You just can't beat it. I'm going long here. We are going longos. We're absolutely longos here. We're going longos. Let's see. Let's go longos here on the micros. It's a nice setup on a 2500 tick chart. Just went long. It's about to fail real quick. It's about to fail very quickly. Knowing Knowing our market cycle, do I just, hmm, let's take a hit. Let's take the hit here. Or I just buy one more time at the lows here, see what happens, you know what I mean? Knowing we're in a trading range. Knowing we're in an absolutely dirty trading range here already. We shall see. Two bear bars would scare me. Hey, good morning, Luis. Good morning. Luis. Welcome, 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 everybody. Welcome to the stream. We're just buying. We're gonna buy at the bottom of the bar. Easy peasy. We're trading micros here. Am I copying correctly? Let's just double check. We are absolutely copying correctly, but I need to add some commissions to these. I hate doing this. We got 20 accounts on Apex and Pandas. I want to trade these like I'm gonna take care of these like my own baby. You know what I mean? I'm gonna take care of these 20 like my own baby. We're gonna trade these like professional traders. I was a little loosey goosey earlier on last month, but put that behind us, and we're ready to rock and roll. You know what I mean, Panis? Put all that behind us. We're ready to rock and absolutely roll here. If you know what I mean. Absolutely rock and roll here. Hold, hold. Jeez Louise, what's going on here? Hold. Absolutely dirty price action. This is filthy. Already. What is this? What is that about? What is that about? Disgusting. Jeez Louise, what is this about? Get ready for the breakout, Panis. Get ready, it's gonna happen soon. The pot's boiling. The pot is boiling, Panis. I'm telling you, the pot is boiling right now. Get ready. Pot is absolutely boiling. Get ready, Pandas. The pot is about to boil over. Get ready for the explosion. Get ready, Pandas. It's gonna explode. Just get ready. It's going to explode. Get ready to rumble. Oh, it's boiling. The pot is boiling. The pot is boiling, Pandas. The pot is boiling. I'm telling you. It is boiling. It's about to explode to the upside. Just get ready. The pot is absolutely boiling here. If we break this high, get ready, Pandas. If we break this high, I'm telling you, the pot is boiling. We gotta break this high first. Get ready, Pandas. The pot is boiling. It's about to explode. It's about to explode. Get ready. I'll give you count. I'll even give you the countdown. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. There it is. There it is. There's a boiling pot. There's a boiling pot, Pandas. There is your dirty do is. That's the boiling pot. That's absolutely the boiling pot right now. Get ready. Get ready for the boiling pot. What a move. 20-point move, 27-point move. I was really for the 1 to 2, but we never got it, so I know. Shooting for the stars. Looking for that 1 to 2. Let's this candle. Let's let this candle finish, if you know what I mean. Let's let this candle finish. Maybe something good will come out of it. Let this candle finish. Oh. We stop at the 1 to 2? Or do we want even more than that? I guess the 1 to 1 makes sense up here. Always, oh, buy always in long right now, right? Show you again. Come on. You can do it. There's my 1 to 1. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. We just hold this. See how high this can go. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? Imagine 15 contracts minis. Just just hold that thought. Don't worry, there will be a day we'll go back to that. But right now, we're in PA hell, so we're gonna be stuck in micro PAs. Micro hell. We're stuck in micro hell. We're absolutely stuck in micro hell right now. It's such a dumb price action, I'm telling you. We're gonna hit the weekly high of last week. We're about to hit it. That's a new all-time high. Why did I know it was gonna explode? Because we had this. We're clearly above the 20 minutes. It's 2,500 tick chart. We're clearly above the 20 minute. Just chopped around above the 20 minute. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna get much more than this. Should I just? Nah, I'll hold. I'll hold. Why not? I'll hold. There's no harm. There's no harm in holding. There's kind of no harm in holding, I think. I mean, if I really wanted to hold, I can hold one. I can hold one down here, and I still am profit. You know what I mean? Jeez Louise. Please don't come back down here. Please don't ever come back down here. Look at that. Look at this monstrous move. Incredible. Incredible. This is one of those cases where Peter says, "Why did you buy at the high?" This is exactly why you buy at the high. For this exact scenario. It's a strong 5 minute bar, but also think about the 15-minute bar that just printed. It's a huge bull bar. You're kind of thinking maybe 1-to-1 on that 15-minute bar. Here's a 1-to-1 on the 15-minute bar. I guess, yeah, it makes sense. Get the 1-to-1 on the 15 minute. Could chop around for a while until we get there now. Chop around, it can come out, break even. There's a lot of things that can happen in the meantime. Right now, we're completely taking our risk off here. I want this one candle to finish, and hopefully we can get some fall. I'll probably just buy again. I'll probably buy again, to be honest. Probably, I'm always in long right now. I mean, this candle's always in long. This is why I bought here. Never look back. This might be one of those days you can literally buy every single candle and you would just make money. Like you can buy almost anywhere, everywhere, and you will make money today type situation. Just watch. And I'll just keep adding to my micro position here. Crazy, crazy price action. Adding to my position here for always in long trading. Became always in short the moment it closed, but you're in one of those situations where you feel like you can just keep buying, even if it drops down, like you just keep buying down here. Always in long, hopefully. Just never stop buying, if you know what I mean. Just never stop buying. The problem is it's kind of hard for me to manage my risk here. Like, I guess technically my risk could be down here, but we'll see. Like, I'm not gonna wait for it to touch this. Like, if it gives me two bare bars, I'll probably just take the hit. But by doing this, we can like hopefully maximize our potential to make some real good bamboo today. There's another bull bar I'm gonna buy. Even if this is a bear bar, I probably will buy. It's just like what it is right now. You're just always in long until you're convinced it's no longer always in long. No follow through on this bull bar can turn to a trading range. When like a strong bull bar like this has absolutely no follow through, then you're automatically thinking this might turn to a trading range soon. At least that's what I'm thinking. But hopefully the 15-minute bar just has a strong follow through bar. Let's see. I'm pretty confident bulls are gonna keep buying here. Pretty confident bulls are gonna buy at a strong bear bar even. Like I will be a happy buyer here. If you come back down here, I will be a happy buyer. Please, I'm like wanting it to come down here now. Almost trying to front run it, thinking it probably won't go much further. And the thing is, like, I probably could still make money. Like, you're thinking worst case scenario, probably turn into trading range sometime soon. Worst case scenario is actually just reversing on you, but for me, that's not that big of a loss. If I lose money, I lose money. That's why I love the micros because you can do fun stuff like this. You can trade like institutions if you're trading with micros. You can like literally trade like institutions. Trading one micro contract. Goodness gracious. No stress trading. I love it. Absolutely love it. It's so fun. Like I said, bulls were just waiting for that pullback. They don't even care. They don't even care. They buy any pullback here. They love all of that discount. This is all a discount for them. They say thank you very much for the discount. I was trying to get a bigger discount. Maybe got a little greedy. I take my risk off, but then also I greatly reduced my probability of making some good bamboo. Let's keep it on until we really feel threatened. Maybe after this bar, some bulls would say, not worth it. Not worth it. It could be morning reversal. 50-50 morning reversal, but these strong bull bars, we'll see. I mean, if you give me a green bar, I'm just buying. I'm a buyer. If you give me another green bar, I'm buying. If you another bull bar, just I buy no matter what here. I don't even care. I don't care. Like you just buy anything. Everything. This might be one of those days you literally buy and you just can hold it all day and make money. You can buy anywhere and always come out with some profit, virtually anywhere. If it's a bull bar, I'm buying. Call me a buyer. If you give me any type of bull bar, I'm buying. Any type of bull bar, I'm buying. Jeez Louise, you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, any bull bar I'm buying here. Any bull bar I'm buying. Ah, I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer, not a liar. If you know what I mean, pandas. I'm a panda of my word. I'm a buyer, not a liar. I'm absolutely a buyer here, not a liar. And, and, pandas, 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 pandas. Oh, oh man, maybe the bull said, forget about it. We'll leave Panda in the dust here. Jeez Louise. We'll absolutely Panda in the dust here. Ouchies. How much is too much risk? Maybe $200. I'm getting, if I'm like $200 in the hole, I might just call the trade. Now, as a always in long bull, I'm like thinking, maybe this is not as bullish as I thought. I can come out with some profit here and just get shooken out by the sideways price action. Or or I can wait for the candle to finish and see the nature, the character of this candle. I want to see how strong this bull trend is. I want to see like after a bull bar like this, you're thinking that bulls are still buying. And the fact that this is selling off here just makes me feel like bulls are starting to get scared. One, two, three, four, five. And this is the last bar of the second 15-minute candle. If this is slightly green, right? Like basically if we close anywhere above this line here, because that's the open of the second 15-minute candle, then it's a green bar. It's a bull bar. If it closes near here or even lower than here, then it's a big hammer, right? Inverted hammer. Right? It's gonna create a big wick. You don't want to be in that. You don't want to be in that noise. One of those rare days, like you can probably trade like minis and make some good man movement. Even minis, I think it'll be tough. If the 500 tick chart, as much as I love this move up, it's like it's a little choppy. A little choppy, you know what I mean? Like it's not pretty. Like second entry long, probably your best trade here so far. Second entry long here. Doesn't touch the 20 EMA. Signal bar's okay. Potentially top of a trading range. Just like a lot of things going against you right there. I don't know. I don't know, it's tough. And this is the power of trading micros. Even if you get these deep pullbacks, like you don't care. Like you're gonna stick to your premise until you know you're wrong. I mean, it's starting to look like a trading range. You got three overlapping bars in a row now. The 15-minute candle, or the second 15-minute candle, just imagine how it looks like. This is the open, and whatever this closes will be the close. So you're gonna have like the body here. Body's gonna be down here. You're gonna have a small wick up here. So imagine how it looks like. You can construct a 15-minute candle using the three 5-minute candles. If it's too hard for you to construct, here it is. Bamboozis, right? Strong bull bar ending on its high, which is why I went always in long. And then you're getting a candle with a wick here, small wick. Like if you can construct it in your mind, I mean, it's it's pretty easy. I think it's easy. I mean, it could be hard for some people, but constructing the 15-minute candle with these three candles is pretty simple. You open, close, and then a wick. But the wick looks small, pandas. The wick is wicked small. If we get a small wick up here, it's just another bull bar. I'm a buyer. I'm another buyer. I'm just gonna be always in long on the 15-minute chart now. Call me a buyer here, not a liar. I'm a buyer, not a liar. Get ready, pandas. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Always in long on that 15-minute candle. You saw that? It turned always in long on that 15-minute candle. Didn't even give me a chance to jump in there. Jeez. It turned always in long right at the 15-minute. Jeez. Couldn't quite get there. Couldn't time that. It's actually creates a small little gap here. So people, I mean, that means people bought the market, right? They bought the market. Where it goes. I was gonna buy another contract, but fortunately cannot. And I'm thinking a 1-to-1 on the first 15-minute candle. That's what I'm thinking. Now that we got two bull bars on the 15-minute chart, like there's almost nothing stopping us from just watching this fly as high as it can. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? All right, not good follow through here. I think we could still buy here and be in a good position. But you know what? I'll buy down here. I'm a buyer here for sure. Like I'm thinking trading range, three overlapping bars. You think buyers below? One, two, three, four, five. Buyers below, basically at the top of the first 15-minute candle. Also trading range of these four bars. I'm trying to buy the bottom of the trading range of these four bars here. If we even get there, I don't know if we even get there. Notice how the market's reacting to this bottom of this bar being bought up. Let's see how it reacts to the bottom of this bar. I think we're gonna be buyers here. And if it does come down here, like I'm coming out break even at that point, if I can. If it comes to it, I'll try to come out break even. Again, this is the fun part about micros. You can do things like this. You cannot do these with minis. If you did these with minis, you would just be shaken out a long time ago, man. You'd be shaken out a long time ago. I'll tell you that much. And most likely missed the move because the hard part about really like choppy days is the timing. It's very hard to time the market. Like if you're near the bottom of like a trading range, it's hard to time when it will explode to the upside. And that's what trading small really helps you with because you can keep scaling in. Because you know you're near a bottom trading range, you just don't know when it's going to break out to the top side. So that's why it's really helpful because here, can you scale in helps you with the timing, right? Because you don't have to be perfect with your timing. You can be wrong two, three, four times. Have a big reversal here, I don't know. But to me, it looks like overlapping bars, right? Oh, I pattern here, and then outside bars, so outside, inside, outside. It just looks like the market's choppy, undecided. So I'm thinking trading range, most likely buyers beneath. So we're gonna just have this. We're gonna have this here. We're gonna buy beneath, and then at any point, if we can come out break even, we'll come out break even at that, pretty much. Because now it's starting to turn 50-50 as we start going sideways. I don't like that. I love this move. We just buy for any reason. Now we buy at pullbacks. We buy for any reason on this breakout. We buy for pullbacks now. I think if we do buy here, it's a great place. Most, not most, but there are people who are buying here. There are people who are buying here, people who are buying here. And then I think people buying where I'm going to try to buy here. And like bulls are hoping it gets to here. Bears are hoping it gets to here as well, right? Because they're trying to scalp out. They're trying to make some bamboo and scalp out. They're trying to get to this target. And bulls want this target so they can buy lower. Have a pullback. So I think both bulls and bears want this target. We'll see. And we don't even get to it, unfortunately. So we don't even trigger my scale in here or whatever. I don't think we're gonna get to it. I think it's already bouncing up. I think we found our trading range. Completely overlapping bars right here. Two bear bars in a row. Maybe turn it always in short. Who knows? Quick poll pandas. And this is relevant. It's relevant, trust me. Fill out the poll. Have you ever had your foot ran over by a car? It's a relevant poll, trust me. It's important. It will help you with your trading. You will make some more. You'll make bamboo if you answer this poll. It's pretty relevant. All right. So maybe people coming out break even now where I'm break even. Uh, two bear bars in a row. Let's hear. This is the first leg up. Perhaps get the second leg up. 40% of you said yes. That's incredible. What's the story? Tell me what happened. I'd love to hear it. Have you ever had your foot ran over before? Goodness gracious. Trust me, it's relevant to trading. It's very important. Let me know what happened. If you dare, do tell. All right, getting a nice push up here. But notice lots of sideways price action at this point. You can take it out break even if you're thinking no longer always in long. I think small pullback, very short pullback, just 2 bars, 3 bar pullback here. Really two bar pullback. Really, if you think about it, it's a 1 bar pullback because it's only one time you broke beneath the previous candle's low. Ran over, not no rolled over. Yes. Geez, I'm not sure. Not sure what the point is, but yes. BPCF. What happened? What were your injuries? He says same. It seems like a common thing. Let's get that 1-to-1 on that 15-minute bar. That's what I'm looking for here. Man, we're getting a nice push up here. See, how many of you guys would have been able to hold this if you had minis? I don't think many of you guys would have been able to hold through all of this nonsense with minis. No injuries. Steel toe boots. Lewis has broken wrist and 2 broken ankles. Whoa. That doesn't sound like you got your foot run over. It sounds like you got your body ran over. Goodness gracious, what happened there? Kate says, I was late to my bus stop in middle school. My mom drove me to the bus stop. The bus was about to leave, so I jumped out. The car was still moving. She stopped right on my foot. It's PTSD. How many years ago was that? You probably remember that like it was yesterday. Nah, but you should see how the mini ended. Ooh, I don't want to know. If you got in an accident with a mini, I'm pretty sure you win. I'm pretty sure you won. No matter what car you're in, I'm pretty sure you already won. There we go. We're getting that 1-to-1, hopefully. Getting a little pop up now. I could take my risk off here, and I could add more to this position. Let's add a little bit more. Let's have some fun, yeah? 30 seconds till this candle finishes. Let's add a little bit more to this to see what happens. Any injury sustained in middle school? It seems like a common thing. People getting their foot run over. Just like, you think we've evolved as a species to be like, oh, that doesn't really happen anymore. But no, I think it kind of is a very common experience. Let's have some fun, shall we? Let's dance. Always in long. Always in long here. Hopefully we get that little pop up that we're looking for. That we're really looking for here. We might not actually get it. How much risk should I hold on this trade though? I don't know. 4 completely overlapping bars with strong bull bar and a bull trend. You're thinking some follow through, but no follow through whatsoever in a strong bull. Now this is the true marquee like trait of a trading range. Strong bull bars, no follow through. You're basically, you know, your chances of a trading range starting to happen is very, very high. It's just greatly increased with the strong bull bar, no follow through. Greatly increased with that. I was crossing the street on my scooter, and this 18-year-old girl on the mini ran a red light. This was 20. Whoa. I well, scooter versus mini. Like I thought you were in another car, but scooter versus mini. I think the mini wins that one. Jeez Louise. Yikes. Got maybe a little too greedy there. I'm gonna come out with a little bamboo here, but geez Louise, that's a shame. Like the fact that we literally got strong bull bar, no follow through, makes me feel like this can come all the way back down here, and I'm ready to buy again down here. There's no reason to hold at this point because when you get a strong bull bar, no follow through, you're basically expecting this to come to the bottom of some sort of trading range. We'll see. Hopefully, this is just a pullback. That'd be great for me. Love that. Would absolutely love that. We'll see if we get it though. I have a feeling we're gonna get stopped out here because we're taking a risk off on a very good trade. Come on. Give me a nice push up. Give me a little bit of follow through on a strong bull bar ending on its high. Yes. Can we get it? Can we get it? Yikes, I don't think we're getting it. We are dead here. We're absolutely crushed to smithereens. Is that not the case? We're crushed right here. We're crushed. I'm only saying crushed because I think I'm gonna go in long. If I see a bear bar, I'm gonna or somewhere down here, I'll probably buy again. Only reason why I'm getting out of this trade because I feel like I can buy lower. Wow, we are what? What? Okay, there it is. All right, we made a little bamboo, but geez Louise, went through a lot for that. We went through a lot for that for no reason, huh? Practically came out break even. Unfortunate. Hey, what can you do? I mean, this is like turning to one, two, three, four, five, six overlapping bars, and the marquee thing for me was the fact that we had a bull bar with no follow through. Makes me feel like I don't want to hold this anymore. I really don't want to hold this anymore. Like that is the very like one of the main characteristics of a trading range. Gotta be buy low, sell high, scalp. Jeez Louise, disgusting. So filthy. It is what it is though. 18% of you guys had your foot ran over. That's insane. The reason why this is relevant because Yo Panda just got his foot ran over by a car. He was wearing his panda sandals. Nothing but sandals. Thick tire rubber and asphalt. Those are the three main ingredients in a panda foot. Making a sandwich. Sandals and the tire making a sandwich out of my foot. But surprisingly not too bad. Surprisingly not too bad. The injuries sustained. Like it's kind of sore, but yeah, I don't know. Not too shabby. The Papa Panda's new Corvette. If Papa Panda ran over my foot in the Corvette, my foot would be chopped off. Jeez Louise. How fast was it? It was going very slow and just slowly ran over my foot and then just decided to stop right on top of it for about 10 seconds. Very, very, very it was not enjoyable. It's not something I like to do on the weekends, but you know, sometimes things happen, you know what I mean? Well, look it took me out break even, a 50% retracement, and now it's going back up. So that's what happens when you get shaken out. That's what happens when you're too heavy. I'm like four contracts deep on the micros here. I didn't want this to come all the way back down. And if it did, I want to be a buyer down here. I don't want to, I don't want to hold through this. But the fact that this had a strong bull bar, no follow through, makes me feel like the market's starting to find some equilibrium. And now it's going to be absolutely disgusting for the next couple minutes here. The next 30 minutes could be disgusting. How fun are micros though? Seriously, how fun is micros? We bought here, we bought here again, bought here. We held it the entire time. We bought up here again. Like we didn't even care. We didn't even care. How amazing are micros? We got the 20 EMA catching up to us as well. Catching up fast. We were sideways for a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars in a row overlapping. If we, I still feel like a buyer down here, but we'll see. I feel like this is my trading range still. Okay. Heber Cardin says, bro, I've been watching you for like 3 years. I appreciate the support. Thanks for sticking around. Best is yet to come, you know what I mean? The best is yet to come. Here we go. Two strong bull bear bars in a row. Hmm. Two bear bars here, no follow through, but strong bull bar, no follow through. Starting to get sus. Starting to get suspicious. Buyers at the bottom of this bear bar. Two legs up. That's like the minimum the bulls are wanting. Two legs up. I remember you making baby moves, now you making big boy shit. Yes, absolutely. This year's been the best year yet. And guess what? Next year is just gonna get better. We're on a road to 1 million here. We're at 170. I mean, it's not a lot, but pandas, green is green. You know what I mean? Being at 170 with micros, just imagine minis multiplied by 10. We're up 1700. So sick. We're up 1700, but at the same time, I wouldn't be able to have held the risk I did. I've been way too scaled. That'd be way too scary. But micros helps you on absolute hellish price action. Micros help you in these situations because you don't have to have perfect timing. You can have really bad timing with micros, and that's how you make your money. So what I'm trading with, like making a lot of money, I'm trading with probability. So I'm not making a lot of money, but I'm not going to lose much money here. And I increase my probability insanely high to at least come up break even almost every trade. Two bear bars in a row. The question is, where is this trading range going to end up? Where's the bottom of the trading range going to be? Is it going to consider this price action down here, or are we just going to consider this top portion here? Most times, trading ranges find trading ranges within itself. So you get trading ranges inside trading ranges. I'm gonna shoot for this right here. Let's see what happens. It's two strong bear bars in a row. Hmm. Typically, what happens is there's follow through. Like now, if you're a bull, you buy here. Like you're waiting to come out again, break even here. You're gonna buy probably. You're probably gonna buy the bottom of this. If you're a bull here, buy here. Probably buy the bottom of this. Two bear bars as a bull, you might even consider taking the hit and saying, "Okay, I'm out. Like I'll just take the hit. This could be a serious reversal, at least 2 to 20 MA. Just two bear bars here is, it's could be significant. That's like the bare minimum you need like for to go short, start going short for reversal. I think I honestly think people are gonna buy here though. I honestly think people are gonna buy here. Yeah, people are buying here. This pivot low. People buying. I'm guessing they'll make 20 points. I'm guessing they'll make around 20 points. But people who bought at the bottom of this pivot low, I'm guessing they're gonna make 20 points around. Yeah, people who bought this pivot low here, look, they realize we're in trading range. And one thing about this is that people who bought that low probably it's gonna come out break even right here for those who went high, who bought this high. Mm-hmm. Did they make their 20 points yet? Almost made 20 points. The reason why I say 20 points because it's like a scalp. It's pretty much a scalp at this level. So why I said 20 points. People probably wanting a scalp here. 20 points. Okay, people made 20 points. So people who bought this pivot low, right? This pivot here just made 20 point scalp. Like that's not too shabby. That's not too bad. Like 20 points, it's like $400. It's not too bad for every micro. Come back up. So those who bought here as well, not come out break even. Like that's why I said like I'm pretty sure people are gonna buy here, and that they did. But the two bear bars made me a little bit scared, thinking, who knows, this could be the beginning of a reversal. So it's kind of scary, very scary stuff. But here's what it is. I think to wait to see what happens is the more conservative move. Absolutely trading rate, so you can't buy here. You can't buy high. I mean, you can buy after the breakout, but this is tough to buy. Like you have all the ingredients of a trading range at this point. You got to push up, you got a bull flag, you break the bull flag, you break out the bull flag, that bull flag reverses and breaks the bottom of the bull flag. This is the minimum ingredients you need for a trading range to start to develop. So, right, you got this push up, small pullback, another push up, and then the push down goes beyond, right, the first pullback, like this pullback here. You see where this low is? This low is beneath this low. So that is why we have the minimum requirement of a trading range. But what I'm really seeing is a double bottom here of the breakout of the 15-minute candle and people looking for that one-to-one now. Like I mean, I'll be surprised if we don't make that one-to-one on the 15-minute candle. This is what this measure move has been for this entire time. I've like rewind and see how long I've had this measure move here. We're gonna try to hit the top. This is why I bought here because I thought we are gonna make the one-to-one very soon, but it needed a deep pullback, regather here, and it's probably gonna make it now. After a strong bull bar, it'd be very tempting for me to just go long and try to hit the top of this one-to-one risk reward. You know what I mean, Panis? Like the one-to-one risk reward on the 15-minute candle. Seems like what's gonna happen here. This is really tempting. I'm gonna just buy along here, but what we've seen here so far is trading range, so me buying here is very, very dangerous. I can't be married to this one-to-one. Can I get married to it? But it's darn tempting, I'll say that much. It's darn, super darn tempting. I gotta consider the current market cycle. We are in a trading range. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight overlapping bars in a row. People selling immediately here. The timing, I say, is very hard. Well, I mean, for me, honestly, I wasn't gonna buy until I either hit, like, where this white line is, or like, I actually almost hit, like, where I probably would have bought. I think personally, I would have bought here at the close of this bar. I was looking for this, but we never got there. We got close, we never got there. One-to-one about to be hit here. Probably blast through it, but we'll see. Jeez Louise, we're up 170, pandas. I mean, can you complain? I mean, we're trading micro, so being at 170 is not too shabby. Get 170 across 20 accounts? Do I even need to tell you 170 times 20. We made $3,000 today. I'll take it, Candace. This is with commissions. Right, I'm showing you the price with commissions. Jeez Louise. How honest can you be? Showing it with commissions. That is crazy honesty. Pandas! There's only one more day to use BVM for 80% off. And the best part is, Pandas, is that the 80% off comes with an $85 lifetime activation fee. And tomorrow at Jolt's job openings during the stream, I'm gonna try to pass some Apex accounts during stream, and we're gonna have a grand old time. And the reason why I want to do it tomorrow is because tomorrow's the last day you can use the $85 lifetime fee, and I wanted to take advantage of that as soon as possible. Actually, you know what? I already have 20 funded accounts. So I can't even get them funded. You know what? Scratch that. Let me see if there's another day where we can get some good news. Joel's job openings is not enough for me. This week we got a non-farm employment change. Hmm, maybe. I don't know. Next week's probably better, but it's hard to say. Hmm. Price action is diabolical. Look at the 500 tick chart. It is just completely expanding pattern, which is just the worst in the world. The reason I'm not going short here is because we're in an uptrend. And if we're going to break out, most likely we'll break out to the upside. So I don't want to be stuck in like trying to scale in or breaking out. I'm trying to like put all of the odds in my favor, as many odds in my favor as possible. Way to do that is by buying here. That's selling. If I was a bull and I bought here, now I'm at break even. This is how I'm reading this price action. So bulls who just bought here are now out break even, which is causing this reversal here, right at that spot, right? You buy the bull close. That's what I did here. And I came out here basically break even because I had a bunch of positions already. But those who just buy here came out break even. And the thing is, they bought here as well. So they basically made all this bamboo. They made 50 points. Incredible for those who bought down here. 50 points is no joke. If you can make 50 points on a day like today, congratulations. Bro, I'm gonna pass my first account, I feel too already. It's because you don't know the forbidden jitsu. You just don't know the forbidden jitsu. That's why. We're continuing this pattern. Strong bull bar, no follow through, and two bear bars. Are we get two bear bars again? Because if we do, that's just silly. We get two bear bars again, it's silly here. Because it's just like, it's just too obvious at this point. Are we get another bear bar here? Because that's just silly. I think it's so silly if we get another bear bar here. Like it's just the market's just toying with us at this point. If we get another bear bar here, literally, right? Strong bull bars, two bear bars, strong bull bar, two bear bars, strong bull bar, two bear bars. Man, if we get another bear bar here, this is just a joke. The market is just playing games with us at this point. Why do we trade and manipulate a market? I do not know. I'm like trying to hold back every fiber of my being not to go long to hit this 1 to 1. I mean, I'm a buyer here. If you come back down here, I'm a buyer, whatever. Jeez, if you actually come back down here, I'm a buyer. What in the world's going on? Two attempts to reverse, two attempts to reverse, two attempts to break out. Everything fails. Everything's failing here. Really, if you get a bear bar here, this is a joke. Not a bear bar here, I'm gonna buy it. I don't even care. I'm gonna buy a bear bar here just because it's just so silly. Like if we really are getting a bear bar here, it's just so silly. We got also high scalp. Is that what we're still doing here? And as we just got that like button. Yes! What is our next move here? Do we stay patient? Like incredibly patient here, or do we expect the breakout at this point? Let's trade the breakout. Let's try. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. 10 bars in this trading range. Hmm. Should have seen that coming. Should have seen that coming. Should have definitely seen that coming. Hmm. Eh, I should have seen that coming. I definitely seen that coming, pandas. All the bulls who are stuck here are out now and causing this to really fall. I don't know. I don't know. Still feel like trading range here. Clearly above the 20 MA. And that's another reason why I decided to buy because I feel like I can scale in here pretty easily. The moment I saw this bull bar with no follow through, I knew something was up. Another bull bar, no follow through. You know something's up when you see stuff like that. Let's see if we can scale in one time. Mm-hmm. We got three bear bars in a row. Let's start signaling a reversal here. But notice that we're still in this trading range. So what does that mean? I have no clue, pandas. Your guess is as good as mine. If I had to figure out the trading range, it would be something like along these lines, literally along these lines. Okay. Not sure if that means much, but something fishy going on here. Three bars, three bear bars, no follow through. Creating a diamond. Diamonds are usually continuation patterns, just like any other breakout pattern. Triangle flags, like basically the type of flag. At this point, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12 overlapping bars in a row. Like I said, why we're trading micros? We're in micro hell because we are in PA hell. We're in price action hell at the moment. And as long as we're in price action hell, we're gonna be in micro hell. You gotta trade the appropriate size for this appropriate market, and micros is the way to go right now. This is absolute terrible price action day after day after day after day after day after day. So might as well can't beat them, join them. You know what I mean? Oh. Last trade of the stream. Let's see if we make some bamboo. Break out of this triangle. Let's get it. Let's take the hit here. I don't mind. It's an OI pattern, and if we break to the downside, we might test a 20 MA. Because now we're gonna break out. We're gonna break down. We're reversing here. Possibly bottom of the trading range. So I'd rather just buy again down here if I can. Why hold it through all this at this point? Get ready for the explosion. Get ready. It's an OI pattern pass, and we're gonna try to make some bamboo from it. OI pattern. Let's get it. Let's let the candle finish here. Some trash. If we don't get this, then this market's absolute trash. There's just no point in trading it for me. You miss a panda? I'll add him. I'll add him back on. They're too lazy. Win or lose, pandas. It doesn't matter because the price action is absolute trash. It's absolute booty. So if we even if we win this, it doesn't matter. If we lose this, it's just there's not much you can do in this price action. Look at this. Like what are we doing? What are we dealing with here? Like what are we trading here right now? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 or 11 bars in a row, and they're barely moving. They are absolutely barely moving, pandas. Like, what are we doing here, pandas? I do not care if I lose this. I just want to stop trading on days like today. It's just so frustrating. It's so incredibly frustrating, pandas. Like, what is the point of trading on days like today? What is the point? Pandas is diabolical. This price action is diabolical. Several times a breakout. I don't think it's breaking out. I think we're done for. It's either gonna keep going sideways, pandas, or reverse here. It's just, in my opinion, not worth trading. And when I lose this, it's gonna be just the confirmation that today is just not tradable, at least for me. Look at this, pan. Look, what is this, pan? It's like, what are we actually doing here? Why every single day are we like this? Why is it in the extended hours the price action is amazing, but we actually trade regular trading hours is absolute trash like this? Goodness gracious, every single day, pandas. Like every single day. Like, can we just just one day not be absolute trash price action? This is an OI pattern. I'm trading the OI patterns as I should. And if I get hit with this OI pattern, then it is what it is. I'm just like I'm not I'm not gonna extend my stop loss. I'm just gonna take the hit. The OI pattern, you're basically trading the OI outside inside here, and we broke to the upside. So I put my stop loss on the other side of the OI, thinking we'll break out with the diamond as well. And absolutely diabolical and get stopped out here because it's absolute trash price action every single day. So it is what it is. That's why we're trading. That's why we're trading micros, pandas. Like even if I lose this, what am I losing really? What am I losing? Am I still green if I lose this? No. Am I still green? No, I'm down 15 bucks. I'm down $16. Like, Panda's like, does that matter? Does that matter? I'm down $16 today. Like, I don't care. But it's the fact that this price action looks like this every single day is a real loser. It's the real loser of this day. It's a real reason why we lose. It's the price action is absolute horrid. It's just untradeable. So, I mean, we got the OI, but even if it breaks out now, it's just nothing I can do about it. It's just it is what it is. If it decides to break out here, it's just I feel like it's come back down to the bottom trade range at this point. It's just untradeable. So um, it's absolutely horrible. We're down 16 bucks. I was up like 170 bucks. We're down 16 bucks now. Like it's just I mean, at the end, Panda's like, do I care? I'm down $16. No, but what I do care about is why is the price action like this every single day, Pandas? Like, can I show you the tick charts? What in the world? The 500 tick chart. What in the world is this? Untradeable. It's so diabolical. It's just filthy. So filthy. Banned. This is absolutely filthy. It's disgusting. Disgusts me. So, because it disgusts me, I have no reason to trade this price action. I truly don't. Have fun though. For anyone that loves to punish themselves. If you know if you are a is it a masochist? Is that a person who likes to suffer? What is it? What's the word? What's the word? Masochist? I don't know. If you're a glutton for pain, pandas, and continue trading today. Just have a wonderful merry time. I'm just done with it. I'm just done. This price action is absolutely. That's why we get out here, pandas. Right? We get out on the failed OI pattern because it's just impossible to time this reversal here. Top of the range back to the bottom range. I can, I can attempt to trade here to go long. We can try here, but it's risky now. It's starting to be a little bit risky now because we had consolidation. We're breaking to the downside. Like we're really trading against the breakout now. So it's risky. It's risky. 20 EMA is your best bet, in my opinion. 20 EMA trade might be your best bet here. I That's the only thing I can think of. The 20 EMA trade, masochist. Is it sadistic or is it masochist? I always forget. Which one's the one that loves to punish themselves? Deriving Sadistic is deriving pleasure from inflicting pain. Okay, so it's a masochist. A person derives. Hmm. Hmm. A person who enjoys an activity that appears to be painful or tedious. The first definition on the Googles is yeah, it is what it is, you know? People buying here, they are scalped out. What, 20 points? No, not yet. I'll do a one trade off the 20 MA just because of the obvious trading range, and the 20 MA can act as a double support of some sort. So we got three bear bars in a row, and people were starting to build up their shorts. So you saw these three bear bars saying that now the trading range starting to, or the uptrend is starting to start to break down a little bit here. It's not necessarily trying to buy the close of a bear bar. It's more of the fact we're trying to buy at a support. Some stinking support. Something, please. Look, if we don't come down to 20 MA, okay, yeah. If we break this high before we hit the 20 MA, I'm done. I'm ending the stream. This kaputs, kaputs. This price action is absolute kaputs. But if we get to the 20 MA, I'll take this trade. But if we break this high before we hit here, I'm ending this stream, pandas. Like it's just ending the stream. Absolutely ending the stream. So it's a terrible price action. Down $16. Whoopie do, but that's why we're micro hell because of we're in a TA hell. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, almost 20 bars overlapping here. You know the rules. If we break this high, if we break this pivot high here, ending the stream. If we get down to here, I'll buy. I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer, not a liar. You know what I mean? So sick. I mean, it's just OI pattern. I don't know. We had the diamond set it up. Diamond fails. Basically, the breakout fails on the diamond. Comes back up. So dumb. So dumb. It's the dumbest thing ever. Whatever. So stupid. Dumbest price action. That's what we're dealt with, right? That's the cards we're dealt with, and so we gotta make do with what we have. Like I said, if we break this high before we get down to the 20 MA, I'm ending this stream because it's absolute trash. Louis says, Pan, I don't know if you knew this. Yeah. You can also do that with the indicator, right? The two-legged pullback indicator. You can attach it to like where the second entry is. For instance, I can attach it to this second entry super signal. And every time, the candle finishes, the super signal moves and the order will move with it. Pretty cool stuff, if you ask me. Eber Cardenas says, "Are you Hispanic? Are you asking me or Luis?" Hola, mi nombre es. Bye bye, bye bye bye, Dolores. I'm not Hispanic. Have you ever seen a panda in Mexico? Adios, adios, Dolores. Me llama, me llama. Adios, adios, Dolores. I mean, if that's not proof enough that I'm Hispanic, then I don't know what is. Oh my goodness. That was like perfect Spanish. That's like superb Spanish right there. You get to learn how to trade and speak Spanish at the same time. Pandas, what are we dealing with here? What kind of price action are we getting every single day? What are we looking at? It's insane. I mean, it's what is expected. This is why I'm trading micros, right? I mean, this is what I expect every single day. This is why I'm trading micros. Hey, down $16. It is what it is. I was hoping for a breakout. One day we'll actually get the breakout and we'll have a glorious time. Absolute glorious time. Gloria a Dios, Gloria a Dios. Dios te bendiga. Amen y amen. It's a very little Spanish, I know. Oh, I pattern again. Is it gonna fail on this end too? Um, oh, interesting. Oh, I pattern fails. Like I said, Band is like I'm just waiting for this to come to the 20 MA at this point. Like, if I want to buy low, sell high, I'm gonna buy the 20 MA for a nice buy at a support and scalp out. You know what I mean? It's as simple as that. I mean, that's what we're doing here. Simple as that. I mean, this is disgusting. What is this? Like, what are we dealing with? Look at this. Like, who is trading this? I am sorry. Bless your soul. If you're trading this, Panzums, thoughts and prayers. This is terrible. Espíritu Santo. Nadie como tú. Nadie es más. Something. Something como tú. No ser something, something. Something. I used to know that song in Spanish. No, it's not anymore. Oh, Pan what's going on. We hit the bottom of the trading range. I mean, what better support is than the 20 MA at this point? So I might as well buy it at the 20 MA. I mean, should I buy it actually on like should I buy it with a mini? Should I just buy it with a mini? Kicks and giggles. Nah. Nah. Should I? Kicks and giggles? One mini? Let's try. I mean, we can try, right? We can afford this. One mini? Nascraq? Trading range? 20 EMA? Can we try one time? I mean, one time? One time here? Buy out the 20 EMA? Double support? Trading range? Seeing the obvious trading range here? Can we get it? Or is it an obvious reversal at this point? Who knows? Oh, I'm trying to buy both. I think I'm gonna try with the. I think I'm gonna try with the mini here. It's totally going against everything I'm doing right now, but I just feel like this has to work, right? I know those are dangerous words when it comes to trading. Like something has to do something, but this has to work, right, pandas? Like this has to work. Give me 10-point scalp. This has to work, right? This has to work. Doesn't it have to work, pandas? I mean, this has to work, right? There's like no doubt this is gonna work. At least a bounce. Did I catch the bottom? Because that would be crazy if I caught the bottom here. That would be loco, as we say in my native tongue. It would be totalmente loco. Pandas, what am I doing here? I'm too scared. I can't hold it. We're in PA hell. Why am I trying to trade minis here? Why am I trying to trade minis in PA hell? Why who in the right mind would be trading minis at this point? It's absolutely insane. Nutsos. Nutso PA. At a certain point in time, I gotta say this is no longer a trading range, but when do you say that? I have no clue. So sick. So incredibly sick. I actually made like $10, so in your face. I actually made $10 on that trade, so whatever. I'm happy. I actually made like $10, so guess what it is. Oh, we don't even make the 1-to-1 on the 15-minute chart. Wow, how rude is that, right? Here's a 15-minute chart. How rude is this 15-minute chart? It's just so rude. So rude right now, this 15-minute chart. Can't even make the 1-to-1 on the 15-minute. How rude is that? Mm-hmm. Panda's like, this market's chopped. Like, thoughts and prayers again to anyone trading this. This market's chopped. It's absolutely chopped right now. Let's go short here. I mean, is that what I'm doing? Just going short. Have we decided to reverse here? From always in long to absolute chop, and then not always in short. At the moment this bar closes, it's been sold. So sick. Untradeable, but what can you do about it? That's crazy. You know what? This poll has 30 votes. That's almost every single person watching the stream. And 23% of you guys had your foot ran over by a car. That's surprisingly high statistic. I feel like this is an anomaly here because I feel like that is like statistically impossible. 26% of you guys had your foot ran over. Is that like the national average, you think? 25% people had their foot ran over? That's crazy. It's actually crazy. Strong bear bar ending on its low. Do I do I dare buy here? No. Maybe out of your mind. But there will be traders who will buy here. And they are just gonna be in a world of pain, in my opinion. That's crazy. Untradeable. This is the most untradeable price action. So sick. Every single day. I mean, it's not much better than yesterday or on Friday because it turns to absolute mush, mush and mush. It's just this is terrible. This is terrible. This whole thing is terrible. Terrible price action. This is absolute just trash. Booty, booty price action. Like, what can you do, Panas? What can you absolutely do about this? Absolutely nada. Just get destroyed. That's it. Get destroyed. That's the only thing you can do here is get destroyed. That's why you trade micros, Pandas. You trade micros on days like today. It's absolutely filthy. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe some of you guys are having a great time trading this. Big push down. You're thinking naturally we'll come back to today's open, maybe bounce off today's open, creating a big up, big down, creating a trading range. Using the entire day's range, we can also go all the way back down, come all the way back up to close near where we opened, creating a big doji bar on a daily chart. Anything can really happen. I feel like all I know is at this point today, the only thing that I feel like I did right today was trading micros. Just trading micros. Like it was the best decision today. Disgusting. I mean, this is not right. It's like terrible price action. Like this is how the price action looked like all day today, pretty much. Look at the overnight. Let's look at the overnight. Look at this overnight price action. Like how beautiful. How insanely beautiful is this? You literally just buy the 20 minute, buy the 20 minute, buy at the 20 minute, buy at the 20 minute. You're making money, you're making money, you're making money. At a certain point, you buy the 20 minute here, it goes down a little bit, but then it comes right back up. So, you come up break even. It turns to a trading range, as it should. This is trash. I don't think you can even buy here, but some people may try. I'm thinking you're testing at least the today's open. So you want to test today. Put a random balance. Have a balance is here. That's a random balance, in my opinion. Uh, 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 I can't get myself to do this. It's disgusting. I know, like, with a high degree of certainty, we're gonna come down. We're gonna at least come down here. We can probably scalp out 16 some points here. Most likely be able to. Most likely be able to. Jeez Louise. Hard to sell this big tail, but I'm pretty certain we're gonna come to the previous today's open. I'm like pretty certain we're gonna come down here to finish this trading range and making trading range look like this. I'm pretty certain this is gonna happen. Question is, what manner is it gonna happen? Or not? I don't know. Maybe not. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Big reversal. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it'll come down here, but in what manner, I'm not entirely sure. In what manner, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm pretty certain it's come down here. Maybe the next low. Okay. Uncertain still what's gonna happen, but cool. Okay. That says MM. Maybe. Breakout here. Close. You're looking for at least a one-to-one. Like I said, I'm not sure what manner, but this is good enough for me. I'm not sure what manner, but this is good enough for me. Just waiting. I mean, I'm truly just don't know why I'm still trading, but here I am. This PA is so dumb, pandas. Again, I truly don't know why I'm trading this, but here I am. Mhm. Look at the 500 tick chart, pandas. Like, this is what we're dealing with. This is absolute trash price action we're dealing with. This is the 500 tick chart. Absolutely insanely trash. Like, what? Why? It's just why? Why do we look like this right now? I should just do this. I'm gonna I'm gonna wait till it gets down here, and then I'm also gonna buy here. I'm gonna do double here because it's so dumb. Such stupid price action. Like it's so bad. Like it's just like 90% chance we're gonna stay in a trading range. It's absolute trash here. I'm almost done with this. I'm actually I'm gonna be done with this. If we don't get in this bar, I'm done. If we don't make it in this bar, I'm done. I'm just getting dumb. It's absolutely worthless trading this. So dumb. So many chances to push down here, we haven't gotten it, so I'm done here. Like so many attempts to push down, we never get it, so I'm just like I'm done. Like that's so dumb. So dumb, man. That's, this price action is so stupid. Like it is so stupid. Like I just I can't handle it anymore. I'm done. If it comes back up, I could care less. Just blast up to the other side. I could care less. Absolute trash price action. What is this nonsense? What a waste of time. Absolute waste of time. Absolute waste of deer panda time. We're actually gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it and reverse it because this is absolute trash price action. I don't even care. I'm gonna hit it and reverse it. We don't even get there. In fact, what happens is we reverse off of the open, not the low, but the open. Bouncing off the open, not the low. I was afraid I was gonna do that. That's why I actually moved my targets there. Hey, are we gonna get it? Are we actually gonna get it here? The lows. I'm gonna hit it and we're gonna reverse it, Panda, because it's such absolute trash price action. We're reversing it too. We made bamboo and we're gonna reverse it back up. It's absolutely how trash it is. We're gonna scalp it back up here. 25 points. And that's just what we're gonna do. I don't even care. So trashy price action, Pandas. Like I'm just gonna straight up reverse it here once it bounces because this app's just such bad price action. It has trading range written all over its face, and I'm just gonna take advantage of the fact that I know it is. I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that I know it's a trading range. Like I'm gonna just buy it right where my target is, and we're gonna bounce it back up. So dumb. So actually so stupid. Man, it's actually so stupid. I'm sorry. Look at this nonsense here. Look at absolute nonsense. We hit our target, the bottom of this like the open, and we're just gonna bounce back up, and we're gonna try to scalp here. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what Al Brooks says. That's what we are absolutely doing here. Oh no. Oh gosh. How long did it take to get to here? How long did it absolutely take to get to here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bear bars in a row, maybe. Well, at least one thing is nice. When the price action is absolute trash, you can do just ridiculous things and it works out for you. I bet I gotta buy again here. I thought we could make 20 points. How many points did we actually make? 17 points? Thought we could make 20 points. Hold this risk? Nah. Not even worth it. Not even worth it, is it? This is even worth it. Hey, maybe. Nah. Nah, not worth it. Just take the hit, move on, next trade. We'll come out break even, really. We're not even taking a hit. We'll come out break even here. Worst case scenario, we'll come out break even. Hopefully it doesn't happen, but it might. It's a darn shame if it does. Could not break a previous candle's high. Is what I'm looking for at least here. At least a previous candle's high would be nice, no? The very minimum previous candle's high would be nice. Can't break a previous candle's high is absolute trash. Oh, this one is. I mean, if this reverses here, we're expecting a nice pullback, 50% maybe. Oh, 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 oh. This is gonna be nice. Oh, 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 oh. Man, this is gonna be real nice. Get ready. Hmm. I thought for a moment we had something special. I thought for a moment we had something real special there. Thought for a moment we had something real special. I thought for a moment we had something real special. I don't know. Do we? This is really diabolical right now. Hmm. Hmm, hmm, hmm. No chicken dinner here. It is what it is, though. I mean, seriously, it's price action never worth it. I mean, we made our 20 points. Maybe I should just take it out of 20. That was my first mistake. I should just take it out of 20, you know? Should have just taken it out at 20. Got greedy. I thought we had something special. I thought we had something real special. Looks like that's not the case. It looks like not to be the case today. All right. Now maybe we're up 75. Whatever, fans. I think I'm done for today. Absolutely diabolical price action. Absolutely horrendous. Absolutely just trash. Day after day. We're up $75. So green is green. So I'm happy with that. But it came at a cost, which is my sanity. So, Pandas, I hope you had amazing. I hope you enjoyed the stream. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, there's only one day left for BBM, 80% off Apex with $85 lifetime fee. So I hope you guys take advantage of that. And as always, I'll be trading. God bless. Bye.